Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bosung Indonesia. Founded in 1991, Bosung Company Limited has been providing our customers with the best quality products and packaging solutions. Bosung believes that only the highest quality products and services can meet the demand of an ever-changing world. Since its inception, we have been developing differentiated products through continuous research and development, leaping forward as a leading packaging company that serves the needs of global products through active investment, technology development, and quality innovation. These are our mottos: environmental management, eco-efficiency, a corporate that puts eco-friendliness as the core value and contributes to the sustainable development of society. Think green, build green. Human resources management, a company that supports employees' capacity through creative ideas and endless discussion. Common benefit and mutual management, a company that moves forward with valuable customers through continuous communication between customers and companies. Based on the above mottos, Bosung will always leave a legacy as a global packaging company with continuous innovation that will always strive to serve new values to customers and the market, even in a rapidly changing environment. With Mr. Antonio Young as our President Director, here is our organization chart. Over 25 years of valuable experiences with most precious clients, we have earned an invaluable amount of trust in our industry. With over 80% of our product lines being distributed domestically to some of our most notable clients like Samsung, LG, and Nike, these accounts enabled us to be awarded with the prestigious Supplier of the Year Award in 1994, 1998, 2001, 2003, and 2005. By the year 1997, we extended our range of products to include a shopping bag line, which far exceeded its sales expectations in the European and American market. As the majority of our products are distributed to Japan, Europe, and the United States of America, we are experiencing a strong and growing demand in both Japan and America, while nearly 65% of our products are shipped to Europe. Bosung has been working with many customers all over the world since our founding, based on the following mottos: needs satisfaction, which puts customer satisfaction in priority based on quality and technology. Innovation, which allows quality management through continuous research and development. Efficiency, which empowers more efficient production through a meticulous management system. We've always tried to incorporate the latest technology and machinery to better satisfy our customers' needs. From corrugated board machines to digitally controlled printing machines, we are confident that our technology is the most state-of-the-art and the most effective way to enhance our product line, which will not only benefit the customer, but also perfecting our products. Take our Heidelberg Speedmasters offset press machine as a prime example. Precision-built in Germany, this machine was the first to go in operation in Indonesia. We are always growing with such stable production lines that effectively enabling multitasks production combined with binding, lamination, die cutting, stitching, and stamping. These solutions have created a seamless system that allows us to complete every step from consultation to delivery, along with our efficient machinery for our valuable clients. With this technology, our most popular products are corrugated single face, corrugated single wall, and corrugated double wall. Bosung's excellent products, which are being manufactured under an optimized production infrastructure based on factories located in Indonesia, are moving beyond Indonesia to the world. To pioneer globalization of the Indonesia packaging industry, Bosung will take the lead today. Bosung carries on without a stop to provide the best products and the best solution. Bosung, a trusted corporate recognized by the world for its differentiated competitiveness and eco-friendly products, will lead the future of the packaging industry with continuous innovation and the highest passion for the future.